Yo, bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo pour la partie 3, pour l'épisode 3 de The Walking Dead, produit par Total Game. Voilà, je fais pas de grand blabla, j'ai fait l'épisode 2 il y a un petit moment quand même, donc je l'ai encore en souvenir, c'était une tuerie sans nom, donc j'espère que l'épisode 3 suivra la même route. Et puis voilà, j'en dis pas plus, on est parti, voilà, faut pas parler, hein. On n'est pas là pour parler, on est là pour jouer.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
Précédemment dans The Walking Dead.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
You've been good to me and my family.
Faut quand même que je vois bien l'écran, faut quand même qu'on m'entende.
And you
Voilà.
stood up to Larry at the drugstore. I won't forget that.
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
Those look like the
Quel
people
épisode de
who
fou
raided
c'était quand
Man,
même.
you're paranoid.
Fuck you!
Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer.
He's not dead. Somebody help me.
Come on! We know this guy's
Putain,
not
c'est
gonna
vrai.
make it.
Sounds
Putain,
like
c'est
a
vrai.
car.
Quelle
There's a
horreur.
shitload of food and supplies back here.
You're right. We shouldn't take this.
The rest of us are taking this stuff.
Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe.
T'inquiète, dans tous les cas, elle, on l'a crevée. Donc elle causera plus de problème à personne. Ce jeu s'adapte à vos choix que vous faites. L'histoire s'ajuste à votre façon de jouer. Je le sais bien, j'ai fait des conneries. Fais péter l'épisode 3. Putain. Écrit en gros comme ça, là. Ça met toujours un petit côté. Ok, on court. Avec notre pote Kenny. On est à Macon là. On a reconnu un peu les routes. Épisode 3, une longue route à venir. Bah déjà, une longue route à venir, on va se barrer avec Kenny, je le
Looks
sens.
like this is our lucky day.
Ça pourrait rouler tout seul.
Yeah, this might actually go smoothly.
We deserve it after last time.
Qu'est-ce qu'on cherche? De la nourriture, je pense. Comme toujours. Lui est toujours blessé, lui.
Where do you come down on staying or going?
You mean packing up the motel and getting in the
Ah.
RV?
Yeah, we've been talking about it, but have you made up your mind yet?
On devrait y aller.
We should go. The motel's run its course, and it's not safe.
On a eu des problèmes au motel, hein.
Damn right
On
it
tient à le
has.
rappeler quand même.
We pile into the RV and don't pull over till we see water. And if Lily's dead set on staying, then, well, that's the way it goes.
On va encore laisser Lily. En fait, on a été des pourritures avec Lily et Larry, mais en même temps, ils valaient pas mieux non plus. Non, en vrai, leur vision, elle se
Just like
valait.
last time.
Mais bon.
Over the rig, into the pharmacy, and scrape together whatever supplies are left.
We
Let's
didn't
go.
leave much in there.
Hey, we're out of options. Something's better than nothing.
C'est vrai. Allez, let's go. Oula.
Shit.
You okay?
The ladder's come loose. I'm not sure how many more trips she's got in her.
I'm not sure how many more trips we've got in us.
No kidding.
Bonne réponse. Bonne réponse. Vas-y, on utilise l'échelle. Mais elle va... C'est mort. Elle va me lâcher.
Looks like she's had it.
What now?
I'll find another way up.
Oh
I gotta
putain.
move on.
Ah,
Looks like it still
d'accord.
works.
Encore une fois, je regarde pas assez.
Lily's not doing so good, huh?
Well, we
On a tué
killed
son
her
père.
dad.
On a tué son père.
We did kill her dad.
Il faut dire la vérité, hein. On lui a foutu une pierre dans la tronche. Même si peut-être il allait se transformer. Moi, je pars toujours dans l'idée qu'il allait se transformer, ce fou. Essieux, allez hop. Et comme ça, on remorque la Jeep. On va faire un maximum de bruit. Tous les zombies vont venir. Allez, ça me va. J'ai capté, tac. Et la Jeep avance.
Your girl still upset with me for taking stuff out of that car last week?
Je ne lui ai pas posé la question.
I haven't asked.
Just gonna let it stew, huh?
Ah ouais, c'est vrai que lui, il avait pris les provisions. Nous, on l'avait pas pris. On avait choisi le choix de Clementine pour se remettre avec. Enfin, pour se remettre
Duck
avec.
was
hein, c'est
asking
trop
about
bizarre.
that guy at Herschel's farm last night.
Ah,
Really? I wasn't sure it phased him.
Of course it did.
toujours.
Still, what happened to water off a duck's back?
He's a tough kid, you know. Like I said, not much phases him, but it's starting to
Touche,
add
mais ça
up.
commence à faire beaucoup.
Farm,
C'est vrai.
dairy. I need to get to the coast. Get him out of all this madness.
Raisonne-le. Pourquoi ce sera à moi? C'est toi
You're
son père?
sure you're up for this?
Lee, I'm fine. I've got this. Give me your hand.
Il va me faire tomber.
Shit!
Allez, le crâne sonné. Oh putain. Ça va?
Jesus. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Shit. I'm sorry, pal. I thought it'd be healed up better.
You're lucky it wasn't
Bon.
any worse. You could have.
Oh non. J'ai jamais touché. Bon merde, bah, elle est morte. Et voilà. Elle a gueulé partout et on est mort.
What the hell is that? A walker?
Ah non.
Walkers don't scream, do they?
Jesus, I don't think so.
Putain, oh putain. Ça tu vas te faire tuer.
She's gonna get us killed.
No shit. Actually,
Elle s'est fait mordre.
Gotta shoot her. Put her out of this
I
misery.
don't know we're here.
What do you mean?
I mean, we leave her alive, and she draws them all to her, buying us time. Think about it.
Je sais
Always
pas, je
worried
sais pas,
about
je
the
sais
ones we
pas.
can't see. She stays alive and brings them all out of their holes.
Je sais pas trop. Oh non, ça va être un choix. Ça va être un choix encore. Ça va être tiré ou non. Non. Non, non, non. Je la laisse. Je la laisse.
Let's go. She'll keep you busy.
Allez, maintenant tu vas réussir à me tirer. Il aurait pas pu me tirer avant. En vrai, c'est horrible. C'est horrible comme ça. Oui, bon, je l'ai laissé, mais bon. C'est la survie de chacun, je la connais pas cette femme.
We should be good to clear this place out, but we ain't got all day. Get everything you can out of these racks. Don't forget underneath the counter this time. I'll clear down here and then we gotta go.
Allez. On prend tout. Tac. 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 On prend tout. On prend tout. Tac, débordage. Ça là. J'ai obtenu 11 objets.
She's gone. There's not much time now.
Et merde. Ça je le prends. Ça je le prends. Ça je le prends. Ça je le prends. Je le prends. Ça je le prends. C'est un sprint. C'est un
I
sprint.
think that's everything.
That
You
girl
took me?
didn't die for nothing then. Up and over.
Putain,
We're still clear. Let's hustle.
Il y a du monde. Il y a du peuple. Oh putain. Oh putain, Kenny. 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 Oh le merdier.
Fridge!
Là, là. Voilà.
Let's fucking
Leur
get
tête.
out!
On se casse, on se casse. Oh. Punch, punch, t'attends quoi? T'attends quoi? T'es long, Lia. Il est long. Il est long. Je mitraille mes touches. Dégage, voilà. Oh, c'est pas le moment, on s'en fout, c'est un rôdeur.
Let's go, pal.
On se casse. On a fait un trou, il y avait un trou comme ça. Donc c'est à force de venir, on a fait un trou. Bon bah voilà, l'épisode vient de commencer encore, et à chaque fois les débuts d'épisode c'est le bordel. Ah ouais. Ah c'est ça quand elle disait tant que les chasseurs ils ont la nourriture des fermiers. Ah bah non, faut vraiment se barrer. Clementine. Par là sur Tolkien.
You're back. Ben found some stickers in a drawer, and I put them on my walkie.
Hey, Sweet Pea.
C'est beau.
That's
Mon
neat.
lapin
I'll
mort.
find you in a minute.
C'est mignon. Qu'y a-t-il là-dedans? Ah, c'est Lily.
Looks like we got the kid on watch again.
What'd you get?
We might as well leave a sign out that says the men are gone and come and rape our women and children.
Huh.
Oui, bah forcément, elle nous aime plus, hein, logique.
So, what did you get?
Beaucoup de choses.
Lot of stuff.
We're fine, by the way.
Ça, forcément, elle
Nice
s'en
work.
fout.
This'll keep us going.
Bien sûr.
Carry on like this, we'll get through the winter here.
The winter? We'll freeze
No,
our
no,
asses
no.
off here.
Because
No, no,
piling
no, on se
into
casse.
an RV with you two, after what you did to my dad, is so appealing.
Why wouldn't it be? You know I'll do what it takes
Ouais,
to
sûr
keep
que
everyone
oui.
safe.
We're all
Il va
Lily.
falloir partir à
It's
jour.
not graffiti.
Non, mais c'est vrai.
Those are bullet holes. And we got enough arrow shafts sticking out of it to dry our laundry.
We have to go eventually, Lily.
We don't have to do anything.
You didn't want to go because of your dad's health, but he's gone
Putain.
now.
Easy, Kenny.
At it again, are we?
Can it, Carly?
Carly, s'il te plaît, avec nous.
Don't boss people around.
I'm sorry. Somebody needs to...
On est plus fort
We're
ensemble.
strongest together. It can't be you versus us, Lily. We're sorry for what happened to your dad, but we're in this together now.
What
Voilà,
about the food
exactement.
situation? What about protection? What about when this place falls? Somebody's got to be thinking about this shit.
How has this not been working?
On s'occupe d'un
Deal
merdier à la
with
fois.
shit as it comes, just like we always do.
And when 15 bandits hop over that wall in the middle of the night? What then? You just gonna deal with that?
Everything
No, on
that
est mort.
happens to us is another excuse for you to pull this crap about leaving. All I want is a week of peace,
Ah ouais.
of not hearing it.
Do you know how we got these supplies? We got lucky and let a girl get eaten out there.
What?
Some girl came screaming out of an alley. She had dead hanging all over her. She gave
Ah,
us
peut-être que
enough time
j'aurais
to
eu
get
moins de
everything we
temps.
could out of the drugstore.
And you just let her suffer like what?
Et tu l'as laissé
Like
souffrir. On a pris,
You weren't out there.
on a
We
pris ce
got
dont on
what
avait
we
besoin.
needed. It was just something that had to happen.
Lee's right. We've been putting our lives on the line doing these runs into the city.
C'est vrai.
You wouldn't
On met
believe
nos
the
vies en
shit
danger
we
quand on
see.
sort.
We all appreciate it, Ken.
You should be thanking Lee for not shooting that girl.
It's not so easy for him.
Look,
Oh putain,
Macon
Carly, elle
and its
nous a regardé
people
chelou.
aren't savable. It's not a town. It's full of walkers, and the people who were left are dying and wandering out onto the streets. It's hell on earth, and it's coming this way.
It's not going to be easier out on the road!
Putain.
How would you know?
What I know? I know you're not above murder. I know somebody has been stealing our supplies. That's
putain.
right. Stealing! And I know the list of people I can trust here gets smaller every day. Now everybody get out!
Ah ouais, c'est la merde fort là. Elle s'en
She'll
remettra.
get over it.
She's riling everybody up otherwise.
You understand, Ken.
She's right about one thing. None of this is getting any easier.
Rien ne s'arrange, ça c'est vrai. Ça c'est vrai. Je suis sûr que si j'avais tiré sur la meuf, j'aurais eu moins de temps pour chercher derrière. Là j'ai eu le temps de prendre
Things are
quelques...
coming to a head.
You can say that.
Bah ouais, Carly. Viens, on parle
Well, I
ensemble.
think you did good today. And I find myself thinking that most days.
Carly, elle est,
Thanks.
elle est de notre côté,
It's
putain.
probably worth following up with Lily about what she was saying about missing supplies. With her wound up the way she
Yeah.
is, I don't want to see her paranoid.
No question.
And I'd like to talk when you've got a minute.
Bien sûr, Carly. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On va parler à Lily? Putain, ouais, plus de musique, plus rien, ça faisait flipper. On va parler à Lily. Et plus de musique, plus rien, c'est trop stressant.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
Tranquille,
Did you come in here to give me hell or to coddle me?
on se calme.
You have to chill out.
You think? I'm not going to play the victim, but you and your buddy might have had a hand in my instability.
Can I do anything for you?
Haven't you? No. Yes. I could use your help.
On peut
There's a
t'aider.
traitor. Somebody, one of us, out there. He or she or they have been taking things.
T'as quoi
For
comme
real?
preuve?
Who? What do you got?
Yes, for real. And I don't have shit. I just know.
Lily.
The count's
Ah,
off.
t'es
It's the
paranoïaque.
good stuff. Antibiotics, oxy, fuck, anything with opium in it.
I see the count, and it's fine.
I keep my own. That one's getting messed with. I'm a fucking mess right now, but I'm not stupid. I know what happens if I start a witch hunt.
So you
Faites
want
le
me
bordel.
to start one?
I want you to poke around.
Tu veux que je fasse mon enquête?
What's there to go on?
Ok, vas-y, dis-moi.
I found this tossed into the garbage.
Huh.
We don't toss out equipment, we fix it. You'd only try to get rid of a flashlight if you were using it when you shouldn't.
Ok, je vais enquêter.
Okay, I'll poke around a little bit.
Thank you.
Voilà.
If you don't find anything, I'm just going to assume it's you.
Ah! Ah ouais, maintenant c'est moi.
A mystery.
Oh non.
Jesus, Doc.
I'm sorry. I heard you guys talking.
Ouais, bah oui.
You need to unhear all of that.
Can I help?
What did I just say?
You're the Grace detective, and I can be Dick Grayson, your ward. That's Robin.
I know who it is.
D'accord, tu es Robin, vas-y. Vas-y, pourquoi pas.
Okay, you're Robin.
Je le prends un peu à la légère.
What do I do?
I don't know. Go look around. Let me know if you find anything weird.
Mais moi, je
I'm on the
pense
case.
que c'est pas quelqu'un du groupe. C'est juste quelqu'un qui vient nous voler. Peut-être qu'il faut trouver des éclats. Duck peut aider. Ça marche. Faut trouver des éclats de quelque chose. On va parler à Clémentine. On va pas l'accuser. C'est pas Clémentine,
Hey,
alors.
Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais ici?
What's that you're working on, Clem?
It's called a leaf rubbing. My teacher, Miss Moore, showed us how to do them when we went to the botanical garden once. See, it's the same. Kind of.
Oh, that's really something.
C'est
I'll
vraiment
make
pas
one
mal.
for
Hein?
you too.
Oh. Est-ce que tu te plais
You
ici?
like it here?
I don't like it here.
Ok,
Do
bah
you
voilà.
wanna leave?
Where are we going?
Somewhere else.
I don't know. Maybe if I knew where?
Yeah,
Ouais.
that'd be a good thing to know. You didn't accidentally break a flashlight, did you?
No. Did Duck say I did?
No. Did Duck break the flashlight?
I don't think so. He's just always blaming me for stuff.
Like what?
Ok.
Putting a bug on his pillow?
Did you do that?
Yes.
I'll talk to you later, Clem.
Okay.
Ok, ça c'est ma Clémentine. Ça c'est vraiment Clémentine, genre. Bon, c'est pas Clémentine, je le sais que c'est pas elle. Carly, comment vas-tu?
Talk to Lily yet?
Yeah, she thinks supplies have been walking away.
Really?
There's some broken equipment, too. I'll look into it.
Thanks for doing that.
T'inquiète, je m'en occupe.
What I wanted to say was, I've been thinking a lot about you.
Je pense aussi à toi.
I think about you, too.
Oh.
Our group is small.
You're small.
Il y a une histoire d'amour là. Ils ont le
You're
béguin
a
là.
convicted killer.
Carly, Jesus.
And I think people should know. Not because they
Huh?
deserve to, and not
Ah non, pas
because
du
you're a
tout.
bad man. I think the opposite of those two things. People need to know because we're hanging by a thread here, and I can't see Lily talk about you without thinking it's the next thing she's going to say. You don't have to tell everyone, but think about who you trust and take the opportunity while you have it.
Tu as probablement raison.
Right.
Of course, I'm probably right. People might be pissed, and telling them might cause some trouble, but it will be
Ok.
a far cry from what'll happen if they don't hear it from you.
C'est compliqué ce début d'épisode, hein.
So you'll do it then?
Je vais le dire
I'll
aux
let
autres.
people know. You're totally right.
Good. I think it's for the best.
Peut-être que ça va nous mener dans le pire des... de la pire-
Don't call me small.
Carla le béguin. Je pensais que non, mais Carla le béguin.
Now, is there
Hey, you two. How
Comment
you
ça
doing?
va?
We're okay.
Just having a little spat.
We all carry guns now, and I don't like it.
It's the way it's gotta be.
I know, but I'm not getting used to it.
Ok.
I'm sorry. How are you, Lee?
Ok, t'as une seconde.
Kenny, you got a second? I need to tell you something.
Sure, pal. What you got?
Je vais lui dire, c'est le mec en qui
It's
j'ai plus confiance.
serious.
Oh no. What'd the she-devil do to you?
Shut up, man.
J'ai
I
l'impression
was,
d'être moi.
on my way to prison 3 months ago.
No shit.
No shit.
It wasn't for touching kids, was it?
Oh, man, come on, man.
What? I gotta ask.
No. I killed a guy in a fight.
Must have been a real piece of shit if you had to haul off and kill him.
So we're
Voilà.
straight then.
Lee, look at everything this mess has got us doing now. I'm sorry you went through whatever you went through. Yeah, we're straight.
Bon, au moins il est au courant. Kenny apprécie ton honnêteté.
Do you guys know anything about this broken flashlight?
Fuck. We don't got many of those.
Yeah, it's a problem. The glass and the bulb are all busted out.
I saw some broken glass over by
À
the
cause de
ice
la machine à
machine.
glace.
I meant to clean it up before the kids hurt themselves on it.
Ok.
I forgot, though.
Ok. On va aller voir ça tout de suite. Tiens, il y a Ben. Et pourquoi ce serait pas Ben? Après tout, hein, c'est qui lui? C'est ici que quelqu'un nous douille. Comme par hasard. De la craie.
Pink.
Doc,
A clue.
maybe.
What do you think it is?
I don't think it's anything.
Ouais, mais le problème, c'est qu'on va devoir accuser les enfants. Donc, ou ça va être Clementine ou ça va être Duck.
Could be. It's pink chalk, which is weird.
Okay, back to investigating.
Et ouais. Ah ouais, tout nous porte à croire que c'est Clementine. Tout va nous porter à croire ça, mais est-ce que j'ai vraiment envie d'accuser Clementine après tout? Est-ce que même je devrais le dire? On s'en fout.
Do you have any pink chalk?
No, it's gone somewhere.
Hmm.
Do you want blue?
No, it's okay.
Lee,
Oh. Putain, il veut pas me lâcher, lui, hein. Il veut pas me lâcher.
I found something.
What is it?
I found this piece of pink chalk and a scuff of it over by the gate.
Really?
Totally. I was combing the scene for clues
Yeah,
and...
Duck, I got it. Good job.
Ok. Oui.
Cool.
Je pense que tu es vraiment fantastique. Je regarde le portail. Bon alors. Où elle est cette marque de craie? Hein?
Somebody was over here, too.
Ok.
See, I did good, huh?
Yeah, Duck, you did. I suppose I should go out there and look around. You stay here this time. Seriously.
Okay.
Ouais. C'est quoi ça? Oh, qu'est-ce que j'ai trouvé? Qu'est-ce que j'ai trouvé là? Oh là 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 là.
Son of a bitch.
C'est pas vrai, putain. Il y a vraiment quelqu'un qui vole.
You haven't come up with anything, have you?
I came up with this. It's got a bunch of meds in it. It was in a grate on the outside wall. And there's a sign on the other one.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, we line everybody up. Everybody. Somebody is killing us. Stealing from that supply is the same as slipping into your room at night and cutting your throat while you sleep. You die.
Bon. C'est
What is
violent.
the difference? What if Clementine gets sick and we don't have what we need?
Ouais.
What the hell?
Quoi? Oh putain.
Who the fuck is that? Got our people out there.
Oh!
Fucking around!
What do we do?
Oh,
Lily.
shit! They're gonna start kicking in doors any second.
Lily, what the hell are you...
Stall him.
What?
Just keep him talking. Do whatever it takes to stop him pulling the trigger.
Fais ce qu'il faut pour qu'ils empêchent d'appuyer sur la gâchette, mais qu'est-ce que c'est que ce bordel, putain? J'en ai marre.
Enough of this bullshit! Drew, stop putting your boot to these doors! Yeah!
Non.
Take it easy.
Non.
We have more supplies. We can keep the deal going.
Too late, shithead! We ain't giving second chances.
Tranquille.
It was a mix-up. We'll make it worth your while.
Tranquille.
I'm listening.
Que veux-tu pour
What
conclure,
will
ma
it
chère?
take to reach a deal?
About twice as much as you've been giving us.
You got it. Done.
Is that so? Well, I suppose we ought to hash out some terms then.
I don't like no hash.
Man, shut up or I'll... Christ!
Oh putain.
Oh shit!
Oh carrelé. Ah là c'est la merde. Oh putain.
We gotta get out of here.
No shit!
Get those bastards. Cover our
Là c'est la
people,
merde.
get out of the RV. Shit for brains, you stop there.
Tiens, dégage. Il y en a qui est parti par là. Vas-y, amène-toi. Voilà, dégage.
Now, get over here, hurry!
Man, we saved our asses.
Get
Bien sûr. Ils sont où les gosses? Mes enfants.
Hang on!
Mes enfants. Charbonné.
Where is he? He's hiding behind that van. Get your ass.
Tiens, dégage. Tiens, dégage. Tiens, dégage.
Gotcha. Hurry, come on!
C'est bon.
Get inside
Monte.
the RV. It's gonna be okay. Go!
Putain. Putain. En one shot.
Lily, get in the RV!
Screw her! Let her stay!
Non, 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 quand même pas, quand même pas. Il est de l'autre côté. Faire bon tireur. Voilà, ça dégage. C'est bon? Lily?
Lily, last chance, get down here!
Lily, putain, viens à la vie de ma mère, tu vas mourir.
Cat, Jesus,
Mais
are
qu'est-ce
you
que c'est
okay?
que ça, putain de merde?
Fine. I'm fine.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm sorry.
Everything's fine. Ben.
Everything's not fine. We need to figure out how this happened. We just lost everything.
Well, we're lucky as shit to have this RV.
And nobody died.
Voilà,
Cat's head is
exactement.
split
I'm
open.
fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back there. The bandits have had our number for weeks.
This is different. Somebody was working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Lee
Putain.
found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
It's true.
So, Carly, is there something you want to say? Please. We have to get it out of you then.
Back off.
You are in no position to make demands. Pointing
Carly est digne de
fingers.
confiance.
Carly's trustworthy. She's not a traitor, Lily.
Thank you, Lee. She can fight her own battles. Unless there's something going on here that implicates you both. Don't be
Non.
ridiculous.
Juste je fais confiance à Carly.
Look, maybe we should vote or something like that.
Vote? What?
Just look. Carly's a
Arrête
stand-up
d'accuser tout le
gal,
monde.
and maybe this was all just a
Lily, stop
On vient de se
waving the
faire
finger at
attaquer.
everybody. We know something's going on and we can get to the bottom of it if we keep our heads.
I know what we found.
I know, Lily. I know.
Nobody was stealing anything.
Was it both of you?
What?
I've seen you two together. Was it both of you?
Look,
Putain,
just
il
let
faut
me
qu'elle
out.
la ferme, hein.
I didn't do it, but I don't like this. I don't like where it's headed.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
Lily, lay off of him.
Il vient d'où lui? Oh putain.
What's going on up there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
All right, well, we can deal with this now then.
Est-ce que c'est Ben? C'est ça la question. Moi je fais pas confiance à Ben.
Is it safe?
Should be.
Everybody out.
Lily.
Out.
Elle commence à me saouler. On va tous s'embrouiller sur la route. On va tous s'embrouiller. Elle commence à me saouler elle. Est-ce que c'est le moment? On vient de se faire attaquer comme des fous. Il y a un putain de rôdeur pas mort en dessous de notre véhicule.
Kenny, the RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
Bah faut l'enlever.
Damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
You know what? We shouldn't just kick you out. We should hear what everybody thinks.
I think you should chill out.
Mais
I'm not gonna take this. You can push back.
Both of you.
There's
impossible.
no way it was Carly.
Voilà.
It was somebody else. It could have even been someone sneaking into our camp.
That's ridiculous. That's what you think?
Yes.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
I don't know.
Mais
Fuck,
putain.
just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do what? Anything.
Il est brisé.
Broken, Lily.
I can see that. Do we need any more evidence than this?
Putain.
Stop treating him like this. Shut up, Carly. Ugh, I've heard enough out of you. Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Then, you have until that walker is dealt with to tell me it was her and not you.
Stop this. You're torturing
Mais
him.
Lily, Lily,
Ben,
Stop.
this
Lily,
is about
lâche-le.
trust, and I've never trusted you.
Lily, lay off.
I can't, Lee. You know I can't.
Thank you, Lee. Please listen to him.
Please don't kick me out of the group.
We won't.
Tell me now.
There. I got him.
Please, let's just get back in
That's
the
not
RV.
happening.
You think you're some tough bitch,
Putain,
don't
mais
you? Like nothing
elle
can
croit
hurt you.
quoi?
But you're just a scared little girl. Get the fuck over it. Take a page from Lee's book and try helping somebody for once.
Dans le cadre où c'est Ben, on le règle plus tard. On vient de se faire attaquer comme des fous.
Fuck's the problem?
Oh!
Drop it.
Holy fuck.
Kenny, what's happening?
Keep duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ. Get in. We're leaving this crazy bitch.
She couldn't be trusted, Lee. I swear. Please.
What are we gonna do with her?
Leave her for the walkers.
Ken, Lee!
Why? Why, Lily?
Viens pas avec
You're
nous.
not coming with us.
I'll die out here.
I don't care.
You're a
Elle a
murderer, Lily.
buté
We can't have you with
Carly.
us.
I'm a murderer? You've had Lee with you this whole time.
I don't care what he did before.
You know?
Yeah, he told me. I don't give a shit. If we keep you with us, how long until you get me?
I was trying to protect all of us.
Oh, tu en Carly? Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que cet argument de
I don't
merde?
have anything left.
Get in, Lee. Let's go, you guys.
Putain, est-ce que... Ouais, mais Clementine, elle va se dire c'est une meurtrière, elle a buté quelqu'un. Je suis sûr que c'était lui, hein, mais... Ah non, je peux pas. Je peux pas. Elle aurait tiré sur Ben, j'aurais rien dit. J'aurais fait monter. Mais pas Carly. Ah putain, on la laisse vraiment au milieu. J'aurais peut-être dû la faire monter.
Lee, a word, please?
Dis-moi Kedja. Dis-moi, là c'est chaud. C'est chaud là.
What's up? Is Duck feeling all right?
Oh non.
What the fuck?
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que cet épisode? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait?
What's the plan? We've never had a bite victim in the group before.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
We keep the same plan unless something changes. East.
Guys.
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each other.
Je suis d'accord, Kenny.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
Et c'est à moi la tâche de merde, putain. Ma puce. Comment te dire?
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Carly?
There's nothing to say. It's horrible.
I'm sorry if
No.
I...
You don't apologize.
C'est pas à toi.
You had nothing to do with it, Sweet Pea.
C'est trop triste. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce début d'épisode? Tout part en vrille. Y a rien qui va. Duck a été mordu, Carly s'est fait tuer, on a laissé... Je suis content que tu sois là.
Glad I have you.
Me too. I heard you outside my treehouse that day and thought about dropping a hammer on your head
What? Why?
in case you were up to no good. Before you, there was this other guy. He was yelling and trying to get into my house. He wanted to take the TV and tried to break the glass door with a rock. Then some walkers came and scared him away.
The door was open.
He was dumb.
C'est pas bon qu'il y ait de l'eau qui coule? Non, pitié, hein. Oh non, c'est pas vrai, 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 c'est pas vrai.
Get off of me!
Je me suis endormi, je me suis endormi, voilà, putain. Je l'ai vu venir. Impossible.
Got something up ahead.
C'est impossible. Putain.
Damn it. Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
On s'occupe de quoi? Mais c'est pas vrai. Après, on les a vus dans un train. Donc techniquement, j'ai envie de dire qu'on va prendre le train. On va arrêter le camping-car, on va choper le train. Et on va continuer avec, mais... Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc de fou, hein? Qu'est-ce que c'est que cet épisode de fou encore?
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
C'est clair.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
Qu'est-ce qu'on préconise? De le faire remarcher, je suppose. Aïe aïe aïe.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Clem, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
Je vais trouver un truc. Je vais trouver un truc, je vous
You think there
jure.
might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
T'inquiète, vas-y. C'était toi.
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then. You, happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah.
Really?
It's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods. Just like my classmates.
Ouais, pourquoi il nous aurait fait ça?
Yeah, of course.
Pourquoi il nous aurait fait ça? En plus, ça peut pas être lui, il s'était fait voler ses provisions, donc pourquoi il nous aurait volé nous? Ça a pas de sens, tu vois. Tu vois ce que je veux dire? Ça a pas de sens. On sait pas. Il y a de l'eau. Ça a l'air fermé, bah nickel.
I'll take this to Katja.
Voilà.
Doc, a map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast.
Ah!
27.
Voilà.
That's where Kenny's got us headed.
Donc ça nous amène là où on allait. Donc il y a tout bénef à continuer.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about. Like, somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably...
Ça va le faire, Katja, ça va le faire. Crois-moi.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
Eh ouais, ça nous amène où on veut.
These tracks lead right to Savannah. Holy hell. Can you guys see about moving that thing? We could have something here.
Yeah, we're on it.
Il y a un truc qui était cassé là-bas. Hein.
Shit.
Ouais, ça c'est un gros shit.
We got one. Walker, sitting in the chair. We got him.
Non, je pense que c'est quelqu'un qui est mort. Non. Non, il est déjà mort, on va juste rameuter des gens. Je suis obligé de tirer, genre. Pourquoi je tirerais? Il est mort, il bouge pas. Ça, c'est un truc obligatoire à l'histoire, c'est sûr. Ok, c'est parce qu'en fait on tirait pas.
Yeah.
C'est parce qu'en fait on tirait pas. Ok, bah faisons gaffe. Bah voilà, il est déjà mort. Il s'est pris le...
I don't think this guy came back.
Oui, je pense pas, ouais.
Christ.
Je pense pas, je pense qu'il est mort tout de suite.
That light is blinking.
Cette lumière clignote.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look.
Incroyable.
It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know.
Et lui, il a pas des compétences? Monsieur SNCF?
No clue. Well, let's look around. Maybe it goes somewhere we'd like to be. Ben, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls.
Il a pas l'air ravi quand même, hein?
Man, this could be exactly what we need.
C'est exactement ce qu'on a besoin. Oh! Il y a des trucs, il y a des trucs, il y a des trucs, il y a des trucs.
That'll crack a skull just fine.
Exactement. Prends ça. Car on sait jamais, Bellec. Ça c'est la photo du mec, on s'en fout. Le carnet
Shit,
c'est quoi?
This is it. Instructions on starting the engine.
Putain.
Damn. Pages are gone.
Où sont les pages?
Can kinda see the indentations from the writing.
Et il faut Clementine. Il me faut Clementine. Ah, parler à
There's
Clementine.
a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
Tac, donne-moi ça. Bon, au final, voilà, c'était Clementine qui m'a donné l'idée. On y retourne. Fais péter.
Perfect.
You can read it now?
Alors.
Yeah. Should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
6,
Sounds
5,
good.
9, je sais pas quoi. Attends, 6 c'est quoi? 6 ba ba o o o ba o. Ba ba o o ba o. Comme ça.
Son of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash up.
T'inquiète, je gère.
So far, so good.
Voilà.
Now we're talking.
Gauche et droite. Babanx.
Holy shit!
On l'a remis, hein?
Golden.
Yeah, we are. Golden. Man, feels good.
Je vais pas lui parler de Doug, je vais pas
Fucking enjoy
machin.
this.
Ça y est, c'est bon.
Mom, let's see if she'll move.
Regarde accélérateur, utilise accélérateur. Et merde.
Damn it!
Et bah on va aller relever le crochet.
Of course, we're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck? Get us unstuck?
Bien sûr, mon grand. Voilà.
There. Hey, Kenny, we're loose.
Voilà, ça c'est fait. On est dedans.
You touch any of my stuff?
Ouh! Mais c'est pas vrai.
I took the map of the train routes.
That's fine. You can have that.
Ok.
Yeah, I got them all right up here.
C'est
I
qui
guess
lui?
it's no worse for wear. Name's Chuck. Charles, if you fancy.
Lee.
Ok, il a pas l'air d'être méchant.
Outside,
Yeah,
and the guy up in the cab.
him too.
I saw you walking through here and thought about scaring the pants off you.
What?
Tu m'as foutu la
But I
pétoche.
couldn't force myself to do it.
You're still kind of freaking me out.
Train folk will do that. Already met everyone outside. They all warmed to me right quick in direct sunlight.
Ok. Mais t'es qui, frère? On veut pas de toi. Tuez-le, on veut pas de lui.
You met Chuck.
Ah,
Yeah, I did.
It's so nice to meet someone normal for a change.
He gave
ouais.
us candy. Ben too.
Ouais, enfin pour l'instant on sait rien. Pour l'instant on sait rien du frérot. Il a l'air gentil.
I'm awful sorry your son's not feeling good.
I appreciate your concern.
Well, with a little TLC, I'm sure he'll be fit as a fiddle in no time.
Ok.
And I can offer y'all whatever I got, although it ain't much.
Thank you. We'd like to do the same.
Why don't we hold off on...
Stay with us. We'd like the company.
Ouais. Toujours méfiant, hein, les mecs de la ferme ils étaient gentils aussi. À la base. Bon on y va non?
So
Wakani.
that's it? We're cut loose?
Seems that way, yeah.
Great.
On prend le
We don't
départ.
got much left, so just gather whatever you have. Let's go.
Allez go.
Wanna ride?
Well, it sounds like you're taking my home.
That's a yes then?
Haven't found anything better for keeping the creepy crawlies out than that boxcar.
Ouais c'est vrai que c'est pas mal hein.
Duck's sick.
Get on the
Ouais.
train, Clementine.
Ouais, comment tu parles à Clementine là?
He's getting sicker.
Let me look at him.
Oula.
We can keep going if you
On
want.
peut continuer si tu
Damn
veux.
right I won't. That's what we're doing.
I think Lee just wants to talk it through.
It's talked through. Get on, Cat. I'll
Ah
be
là
up
c'est
front.
dur.
I don't want to hear any nonsense until we get where we're going.
Ouais. Ah, c'est compliqué hein. Désolé de le dire mais c'est compliqué. Fais péter l'accélérateur. Et voilà. Un peu de choses qui se passent bien. Ouais bon il est quand même... Parce qu'il sait. Il sait au fond de lui qu'on a un problème. Aïe aïe aïe. Bon, le train roule, c'est tout ce qui compte. Ouais, c'est pas le meilleur moment, hein. Puis elle est toute seule du coup. C'est la seule enfant.
Gotta be hard on you, eh? 3 adults taking care of 3 kids. No disrespect, son.
On s'en sortira.
Be fine. You've gone through just as much as anybody else.
This one's gonna grow up quick.
I already am.
Don't doubt it, son.
Lee. Lee, I
Oh,
need
putain.
you right now. I need you to go get Ken.
What's...
Would you get that off his face? My hands are full here. Thank you. Could you just get that off his face, please? He's
C'est le
out
début
of
de la
time.
fin.
We need to stop this train.
Okay.
Oh. Mais qu'est-ce qu'on va faire là? Non mais vas-y, Kenny va s'en prendre à moi. J'ai pas envie. Putain. Tu sors d'une merde. De toute façon, cet épisode, c'est. Il aurait dû l'appeler la merde en continu. C'est tout le temps la merde.
You need to stop the train. Kenny.
What?
Ken.
What the hell's that?
Your son's blood.
Get out of here, Lee.
You know he's dying.
Nobody knows
Putain de
shit.
merde.
He'll be fine.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't talk like that right now.
Go back there and tell my wife everything will be fine. What is the goddamn deal? He's a little sick, but we can't just quit.
Mon
It's
grand.
a scratch. He's not like the others. Jesus, all y'all are just making it worse.
You're in denial.
And you've given up. On Duck, on everyone.
Stop it, goddammit!
Fuck you, Lee.
You're gonna listen.
Putain.
Or what?
Et on s'embrouille avec Kenny maintenant. Calme-toi.
Calm down and
How the fuck do you calm down after a day like today?
En parlant à ton
talking to
ami.
your friend. You think you're the reason Duck was bitten? Like you had this coming or something?
Ouais, voilà.
You didn't kill Herschel's son.
Yes, I did. And now it's catching up to me.
That's not
Aïe,
what
aïe,
went
aïe.
down. You looked out for your kid, and a bad thing happened to someone else's.
Là, je parle bien là. Je peux pas parler parce que je suis
There ain't no
concentré,
way this
mais.
world lets my son live when I help put someone else's in the ground.
That's not the way it works. You know that. Stop the train, man.
Oh mon dieu, c'est horrible. J'étais très concentré pour le raisonner, mais pas se battre avec lui et tout. J'ai plutôt bien réussi. C'est la
Ken,
merde là.
I think it's time.
The boy's been bit, in case you haven't figured that out.
Take as long as you need.
There ain't no time left to take. What are we gonna do?
Putain.
We can't allow him to become one of those things.
But what if he doesn't?
Kenny, I love you very much. I love our son more than life itself. I need you to hear me. What you are saying, that he may not turn, is foolish.
But
No.
Ah, c'est horrible.
There's... Come on, Cat.
If you think of one, you let me know.
Isn't there some sort of pill or something we can just give him?
Stop it.
Just drift off to sleep. Right, hun? I mean, Jesus, this is our son.
I know, but we know it's here or nothing.
Oh, fuck. Just who, then? You want me to?
You don't have to.
I'll do it.
No, you don't have to.
Gotcha. Fuck. I can. I can do this.
You can't. I love you, Ken, but this is
Je vais le
beyond
faire.
you.
I'll do it.
No, it should be apparent.
No parent should have to do something like this.
He's right, Cat. We can say our goodbyes and just let that be it.
I don't know. Lee, you'd be doing this family a great service. Why don't we take him into the forest, so Clementine doesn't have to see?
Yeah.
Mais quelle horreur, mais quelle horreur! Mais qu'est-ce que je suis en train de voir? Mais qu'est-ce que je suis en train de voir? Et lui va me prendre pour un meurtrier d'enfants. Et Clem elle va croire que je tue les enfants.
What's happening?
Duck est en train de
Duck
mourir.
is dying.
I know. What are you doing?
Puce.
I'm gonna make sure he's okay
But how? He's bitten.
by making sure he doesn't come back.
Oh.
Look, Clem, things are... What the?
Hein?
Ben,
Hein?
take Clementine into the train. Go. It'll be fine.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce bordel? C'est quoi le bordel? C'est quoi le coup de feu? Quoi? Oh, quel gel c'est...
Cat! Cat! Gotcha! Why? Cat? Honey? Oh, fucking God! You said you could do it, Cat. God damn it! You said you could do it!
Oh my God.
I...
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est que cet épisode? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Pardonnez-moi l'expression, mais c'est une razzia.
What do we do?
C'est une razzia.
Give me the gun, kid. I'll do it.
Et je vais vraiment... J'ai même pas les mots. Cet épisode, c'est... Il y a trop de pertes en fait. Il y a trop de pertes. Attends, on a perdu Lily. Bon, c'était un choix, mais... Plus de Lily. Plus de Katja. Plus de Duck. Plus de Carly. Non, c'est trop.
You want to talk? You understand what happened?
Yes.
Okay. What are you thinking about?
What Chuck said.
What Chuck say?
That what happened to Duck would happen to me.
The fuck he did?
Swear.
Sorry. I'm gonna go talk some sense into him.
Don't be mad.
Sérieux, ce fils de...
Hey,
How you doing?
I don't care what reasons you had for doing it. No reason to go and tell my girl she's gonna end up dead.
'Cause she is.
Mais il est sérieux ou quoi, lui?
I don't know much about you folks, but I can tell you as sure as the sun's gonna come up tomorrow. y'all keep going on like this, and that girl ain't
Ferme
gonna
ta gueule,
make
fils
it.
de pute.
What do you know?
I know that you don't have a goddamn plan. We get to Savannah, and then what?
I'll figure it out.
Well, get to figuring, because it'll be on top of us before you know it. Look, sit down with the girl and hash it out.
Je crois que
Find
même
a
pas ça,
map,
mais tu te rends
for
compte?
Christ's sake. I'd give you one if I had it. And if something were to happen to you,
It won't.
if it were, you gotta prepare the girl. Teach her to use a weapon, and for criminy, cut that hair.
She's a
petite
little
fille.
girl.
And she'll die a little girl if you treat her like one. You gotta consider her a living person. That's it. You're either living or you're not. You ain't little, you ain't a girl, you ain't a boy. You ain't strong or smart. You're alive. Look at her hair. You got her running around with a mop that's gonna act like Velcro to any hand swinging its way.
Et donc je devrais couper
Find
ses
some
cheveux?
scissors in my pack and take care of that hair before a walker does it for you.
Tu peux parler avec ta
Show her how to
houppette.
use a gun, because like it or not, that's what saves your life from here on out. I don't mean to tell you how to do your job, but too many people have died already.
They have.
And seeing another little girl die might just do me in.
I hear you. A plan, a haircut, and a gun. It's good
Un
advice.
plat, une coupe et un
It's something.
pistolet.
Hey, Clint.
Did you talk to him?
I did. He had some, he explained himself and made some good points. Look, we're not gonna let anything bad happen to you, but there are some precautions we
Okay.
have to take.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Ça te
Don't
va?
worry, sweetheart.
Okay. What should we do?
Well, we're gonna figure out a plan for when we get to Savannah. Teach you how to protect yourself and, tidy up a little so you can't get grabbed so easily.
I'd like that.
Good.
Ok. Faut que tu apprennes à te protéger.
You need to know how to protect yourself.
Like hiding or running away? Got it.
I mean, with one of these. First,
Oh, plus tard.
don't be afraid of it. It's just a thing. Take it. But know where your finger is all the time. And don't put it on the trigger unless you want to hurt somebody.
Okay. Okay.
See? It's not scary.
It's heavy.
You'll get stronger. To aim, you look right down the top through that notch.
Ouais,
Line up the
enfin...
sight at the end with your target.
Is there anything else I should know?
When you're ready to shoot, make sure you're not breathing too hard. And
J'aurais
then
peut-être
hold
dû lui
your
dire de
breath
viser la tête.
right when you pull the trigger.
Like when I'm swimming?
No, just for a quick second. I found that if I did that, I was a lot more accurate. It's tough, but it'll help.
I can do that. Okay.
C'est pas mal. Donc on va lui apprendre là maintenant. Elle va tirer.
Don't lock your elbows. Okay, let's take your first shot. Squeeze the trigger smoothly, and I'll cover your ears. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
You okay?
My hands hurt. I don't like this.
Let's stick with it, okay?
Do I have to?
Yeah,
T'as pas le choix, ma
you
corde.
do. Aim more to the right.
C'est plus bas.
Lower.
Voilà.
I got it.
Excellent. Good shot.
Plus à gauche, plus bas.
A little bit lower.
Voilà.
There you go. Nice.
Elle commence à peut-être savoir gérer le truc. Les coudes. Voilà.
I did it!
Yeah, you did. Good job.
I was holding my breath, and the gun didn't shake so much.
See, you did good.
They're not walkers, though.
No, far from it. But you know how these things work now. We'll graduate you to walkers one day.
Ouais.
Okay. I feel good.
Not so scary, huh?
Nuh-uh.
C'est quand même horrible d'apprendre ça à une gamine. Hein. On apprend ça à une enfant. Est-ce que ses cheveux c'est important? Parce que quelque part, j'ai peur que derrière si je le fais pas, il va arriver quelque chose à Clementine.
So you're probably not gonna like this.
Oh no. What happened?
Nothing. We have to talk about your hair. It's not safe.
That's not nice.
What?
Are you saying it smells?
No.
'Cause it does.
Non, c'est pas ça.
Do you remember when Andy St. John grabbed it and I got mad?
Yeah.
Well, that could happen again. And if it's a walker, well, we need to trim it.
just a trim, right?
I need to cut it short enough so that it can't get grabbed.
Okay.
Quelle horreur.
Do you know how to do this?
Ouais.
Yeah, of course.
I don't believe you.
Well, good.
Good?
Means you know when someone's lying to you, which is another valuable survival skill.
Does it look dumb?
No, you look cute, and a lot harder to grab.
De toute façon, tu mettras tout sous ta casquette. Donc on le verra même pas. Je savais que je devais la prendre, en plus cette bouteille de whisky de mort là.
It's a fifth of whiskey.
Mon grand, j'ai un truc pour toi.
I found this if you want it.
Damn. Didn't realize I had it left. Thank you. Want a nip?
Non.
Nah, I'm fine.
Suit yourself.
Clairement pas. Si je suis sous alcool et que je dois tirer, on fait comment?
Anybody in there want to share a drink, you let them know.
Chuck.
Will do.
Chuck peut-être. Chuck en vrai. Chuck. N'importe quoi, Kenny.
Chuck wanted to know if you needed a drink.
He's got some.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Bah ouais.
That'd help.
Va boire un truc. Ça, moi je le prends. Ce qui est long, c'est de faire tout ça là. On va pas A, pas B, on fait tout le train.
It was me.
Et voilà. J'en étais
I was the one
sûr.
giving the bandits supplies.
What?
Oh le fils de pute.
It's all my fault.
Ah oui. Mon Dieu, Ben.
Jesus, Ben.
I know. They said they had my friend, that he was with them.
Just stop. Fuck. Can we even trust you?
Yes.
Did
Non.
you have to go and tell me that?
I just...
No, just don't tell anybody. You can't take any of it back, so don't.
Okay.
Ouais mais là non, là faut le dire. Parce que si je le dis pas, on va dire que je manque de loyauté. Donc c'est mort. Il faut que je le dise à Kenny. Faut que j'aille voir Kenny que je le dise.
Hi.
Je vais voir Kenny que je le dise.
I want to talk about Savannah.
Me too.
And what we're
Alors,
gonna do
qu'est-ce
when we get
qu'on
there.
va dire là-bas?
We don't know what to expect. The city could be bad or totally under control. The thing
Ouais.
is, you and I, we're a team, you know? And a team needs a plan. Aside from everyone else, when this train stops, you and I should know exactly what we're doing.
Pourquoi pas?
A plan. I like it.
Normal.
Good. We need to help find a boat. It's our best bet at safety.
Okay, but we'll be in Savannah, and my parents were in Savannah.
I know. Look,
No, I don't care about safety. I care about finding them.
Oui.
okay, we'll look for them.
Really?
Yes, of course. I'm sorry. Let's look at the map. If we can figure out where they were, we can start
Donc là,
there.
va falloir d'abord chercher les parents. Et
Looks like
ensuite...
we'll come right through town if there's nothing on the tracks to hold us up. We're gonna want to look for a boat here, I imagine. And from there, we've got all of Savannah to the southwest of us. And we've got a good chunk of Savannah here. What do you think?
They always stay in the same place when they go there. It's,
Hey, don't worry. We'll figure it out. Have you ever been there?
Once.
Well, think about it. A lot of hotels on here, but read this map and maybe it'll jog your memory.
They've got really tasty desserts. It's
Vous avez très bon
called the,
dessert.
something Mar.
Is this it? The Marsh House?
Yes,
Marsh
that's
House?
it.
So we'll head there.
Donc faut qu'on aille au Marsh
You
House.
think we have a good plan?
I think it's very good. Can I tell my parents? You know.
Bien sûr.
Sure.
Good. Better. I'm glad we have a plan.
And you're
tant
a
mieux.
good little shot.
Thanks.
I guess we should see how far.
Oh, shit! Hold on, everybody!
Oh putain. Ils emmerdent le début des emmerdes. Quelles vont être les nouvelles emmerdes? Ce groupe n'est jamais tranquille. Qu'est-ce que c'est le souci encore? Ah ouais. Ça c'est un gros problème ça.
Fuck, 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 fuck!
walk?
That's fucking stupid, Ben.
I'm just saying.
I don't know. I ain't got much experience with y'all's fortitude, but we could probably deal with that. We got a goddamn train.
C'est beaucoup
The
d'or,
thing's
les
not full
enfants.
of milk, Charles. That's gas or diesel. Something that's gonna explode.
You
Ouais.
gotta get a hold of yourself. This a crew here.
Oh non, ils vont s'embrouiller.
This ain't shit.
This?
Yo, you keep screaming like that and you're gonna get your face chewed off.
Qui sont-ils?
You guys gonna be trouble? Because we could have just kept walking.
No, we're friendly. Put your hand down, Ken.
That's what everybody says.
We know.
Let's give these guys a break.
We'll see.
You guys got a problem with your train?
Yeah, you're standing right in front of it.
Dude, it's a wreck. It's not so bad from up here. Send your buddy up to have a look.
Anything goes sideways up there, we won't let them escape.
Ouais. T'inquiète, Kenny. On reste soudés. Le but, c'est de rester soudés.
If I come up there, you better not be murderers or thieves.
I guess you'll have to find out.
La musique... Après, la musique, c'est traite, mais la musique me laisse penser que c'est des gentils.
We're doing fine.
For now. What about when...
Stop it.
Hey, dude, I'm Omid.
Lee,
Krista, what's the deal with the train?
we're driving it.
Oh, man.
Des gens bien seraient pas trop ici, moi, journée, on cherche pas de nouveaux amis.
Look, you want to help us out? We could use some able bodies, and yeah, we really need some help.
What's in it?
Oh, shit. God damn, you guys have a kid.
What are you doing up here?
Do you know how long it's been since I've seen a kid? Shit. What's your name?
Clementine.
Oh, so he gets to swear.
Oh, this is great. See? Things are looking up.
You're not her dad. He down there?
It's that obvious?
To me.
And no, he's not down there.
Huh. What's your story?
I came across Clementine alone. First day all of this happened. I was actually incarcerated.
Sick. Do you have any prison tats?
Yeah, didn't make it that far.
And everybody down there, they're cool?
Bien sûr.
Kenny lost his wife and kid.
Man, how long ago?
What time is it?
I don't know, 4?
Maybe 2 hours ago.
God damn.
Ouais, c'est dur.
We're sorry for anything that's happened to you guys. That train is awesome, though.
That tank is your real problem. We'll help you with it. But if
Tu as
we
choisi
see
de révéler
anything we
l'histoire
don't
de
like,
Kenny.
we're
Peut-être
moving
que
on
j'aurais pas
down the
dû.
road, alone.
We'd appreciate the help.
You can't just blast through it, I guess?
If you could get it down, the rest would probably be pretty easy.
We'll start there.
We'll
Bah,
come
tu peux
down and
descendre.
settle in and see if we can help.
Là, il y a un truc bizarre, la jeune. Voilà.
That's about the only useful thing in here.
Non, on descend. On apprendra à les connaître, c'est bon. On descend avec eux.
Guys, this is Omid and Krista.
Not big on welcomes.
Like I said, we could use some good people.
Just wanted to say hi and say your train is pretty cool.
On va se débarrasser du ravitailleur.
Plan is to cut that tanker down and be on our way.
Seems like plan enough to me.
You want to start in on that tanker?
I'll get to know the girl for a minute, if you don't mind.
And why don't I show you how this thing works, in case something happens?
Really,
Il est au
Ken?
bout de sa vie.
It's probably for the best.
Il est au bout
Someone
de sa
might
vie.
want to have a look inside of that station back there, too.
Sounds great. Let's do this thing.
Wesh, Krista.
Hey there.
That's a pretty useful radio for her to be holding on to, no?
It's busted, but it means something to her.
Oh, I understand.
Bah oui.
Can I follow you over there?
You don't like the new girl?
I do, but it's like we're a team, like you said.
Yeah, all right. Come on. Clementine and I are checking out this train station, all right?
Donc, Clem
Hustle
vient
over
avec
if you
moi.
hear anything.
Excusez-moi, j'étais concentré sur autre chose, donc forcément compliqué. Clem vient avec moi à la gare. Je sais pas si c'est une bonne idée. Parce qu'on connaît pas. Peut-être qu'on peut avoir des soucis à la gare. Survivor Inside. Là, on peut pas. Doucement, tu vas
You
trop
should
vite.
wait for me before trying to open doors.
Sorry.
Luckily, it's locked. We'll get better at working together.
Ouais, attention, ma corde. Hein. Tu vas un peu trop vite. Ah, il y a une fenêtre.
Window's open up there.
Maybe I could look in?
Why don't I put you on my shoulders and you can peek into that window up there?
Sounds good.
Allez, vas-y, ma grande. Regarde un peu. Te jette pas dedans, regarde.
Okay, I can see in. What do I do now?
What do you see?
Lots of crates and stuff.
Maybe we can find the key or figure out a way to knock this door down. Kenny'd probably have me pick the lock, which actually might work now that we have the time.
I think I opened it.
For real?
I think so.
Tout ce blabla pour une ouverture assez facile.
I'll be damned.
Let's go. Be careful.
I'm supposed to tell you that.
Maintenant, c'est elle qui le dit à moi. En même temps, avec tous les trucs qui m'arrivent.
God damn, it's dark in here.
Maybe I can hold the door open?
I don't like that. I'll prop it open with something.
Il y a un chalumeau.
That's exactly what we need.
Over there?
Yeah, we need to get in there and get that blowtorch. There's some space up there, but not much.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Yeah, we are.
Donc le but, c'est que je porte Clem encore. Mais il va forcément arriver quelque chose, ça, vous le savez. À faire ça à chaque fois, il va tout le temps y
You
avoir.
okay going over the top of this fence?
Yeah, definitely.
Parce qu'il va forcément se passer un truc au bout d'un moment.
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Qu'est-ce que... Il y a un truc, il y a un truc, il y a un
Behind
truc.
you!
Oh putain, Clem. Clem, c'est à toi. Appuie sur W pour reculer, appuie sur W pour reculer. Chope la clamolette. Je suis déjà en train d'appuyer sur les touches. Ok. Et elle va être avec le gun. C'est pas grave.
It's okay, it's okay. Everything's fine.
Elle va dire qu'elle a pas réussi. Oh!
Keys, now! Fuck, it's still locked.
Ma molette! Ouvre! Ouh. On a chaud, hein?
That didn't go so good.
No, it did not go so good. But we're okay. Everything's okay.
C'est chaud, hein?
What's going on? I thought I heard a gunshot.
We're fine. We found some walkers.
C'était dur. C'était dur, mais ça s'est bien passé.
You and an 8-year-old versus 3 of them, huh?
Bon, elle, je l'aime pas. Elle, je l'aime déjà pas.
We handled it.
Yeah, it looks like. What if you hadn't? I'm gonna go make sure the noise didn't cause us any problems.
Ferme
That's a good idea.
ta bouche, toi.
I hope you know what you're doing with her.
Bien sûr.
We're still alive, aren't we?
Yeah, you are.
Ouais. Commence à m'énerver, la Christor. Hein. Mais légèrement, quoi.
We got it.
Let's go outside now.
What did we learn?
I'm not ready for a gun.
On a
We
appris
learned
encore
not to
pas.
be afraid. They should have got us, but we got them.
Yeah, you're right.
Voilà.
Fear's the thing that will kill us. You understand? You sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm a little shaky.
C'est
It'll
normal.
pass.
C'est normal. Nous, on s'en fout. Parce qu'on en a buté du rôdeur. On en a buté, on n'est pas au premier, on n'est pas au dernier, ça c'est sûr. Salut les gars.
I found a blowtorch in the station. Should make quick work of the coupling up there.
Excellent. I'll come up there with you to have a look.
Let's go. Let's go, mon grand. Mais le truc, il était énorme et j'arrive à monter avec. Allez, let's go.
That's crazy. Look at it go.
Just about got it. Whoa, thanks.
No sweat, man.
À chaque fois, on
This thing
remonte
is
notre
hanging
nous,
by
j'aime
a
bien.
thread. The smallest cut and it'll go. Here, the weak portion of the coupling's out of my reach.
You think it'll be within mine?
No, but I'm gonna dangle
Ok,
you over
ouais,
that
voilà.
ledge.
Bon, moi, je pensais plutôt
Hell,
l'inverse,
you
mais bon.
are. God, God, you're a real son of a bitch, aren't you?
Shut up and start cutting.
Moi j'aurais pensé l'inverse. Putain, il y a les rôdeurs. Il y a les rôdeurs en balle.
Guys, there's something coming.
What the what?
Must be thousands.
We gotta go.
Dépêche-toi, dépêche-toi.
Fuck. Omi, cut, cut.
I am. It's going. Pull me up.
Oh non. C'était sûr.
Can he go?
On va devoir sauter.
Shit. What the hell do we do now?
Hope to God this works.
Holy crap.
Voilà, et nous on court de l'autre côté, on va devoir sauter.
Gotta jump.
What? No way.
On n'a pas le choix mon grand. C'est ça ou tu meurs.
Jump.
No.
Jump, damn it.
Still no.
Fine. Ah.
Oh.
Shit!
Faut aller les aider, faut aller les aider.
Run! Omid! You son of a bitch, save him! Omid!
Oh. Mais je préférais au mid en plus. Oh putain, heureusement, merci. Ah mais du coup lui je vais pas être très bien avec lui parce que j'ai sauvé l'autre.
That was a lot of them.
Are you hurt?
No, we're okay.
Speak for yourself.
Putain.
My leg is fucked.
We're fine, Clementine. We're fine.
C'est bon, tout va bien, tout va bien, tout va bien. C'est bon, on s'en est tous sortis. J'ai cru que j'avais encore fait un choix où j'allais tuer quelqu'un. Oh! La ville arrive. Oh, c'est Kenny. C'est avec de ghetto. Oh non, c'est triste.
Next stop, the Atlantic.
Salut grand.
We have to find a boat. We just have to.
We will.
Tu t'en sortiras.
You'll be all right.
I'll be alive, I guess. Blood in my heart. Blood in my brain, at least.
Ça va aller,
I'll leave
Kenny.
you to your thoughts. She's out cold like I've never seen.
Quoi?
What the?
Can't wait for you to get to Savannah, Clementine. I got your parents right here. And you be sure to find me, whether Lee wants you to or not. Now, what I need...
Holy shit.
I thought that fucking thing was broken.
So did I.
Well,
Oh
sounds like somebody
putain.
knows where we're headed.
Who the fuck?
I don't know, but I doubt we're gonna be happy when we find out.
Ça veut dire qu'il y a des gens qui écoutent dans le talkie. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? La prochaine fois dans The Walking Dead.
We're almost
On est arrivé à Savannah.
You wanna get on a boat? You wanna wait around till the walkers figure out we're here?
We need to focus on finding the boat right now, Clem. Like we talked about on the train.
I don't know how much
Va
longer
dur.
he can keep on like this. If his leg gets any worse, we're gonna have to carry him.
Or leave him.
If I were you, I'd get out of the street, now.
Who the hell is this? Answer me, damn it!
So when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Who have you been talking to?
Putain de
Come
merde.
back here, I'll kill you. You understand? I will kill you!
Partout. T'as le prochain problème, ça va pas être des rôdeurs. Putain, c'est le moment des stats. Une mort belle et clémente. As-tu tiré sur la fille dans la rue? Vous et 59% des joueurs n'a pas tiré sur elle. Voilà, c'était la bonne décision. Et en plus, on a pu prendre beaucoup de trucs. As-tu abandonné Lily? Vous et 42% des joueurs l'a abandonné. Putain, mais du coup, tu fais toute la suite avec Lily. T'es-tu battu avec Kenny? Vous et 44% des joueurs l'a convaincu. Les gens qui se battent avec lui. As-tu tiré sur Doug? Vous et 79% des joueurs lui a tiré dessus. Normal, c'est dur de laisser Kenny le faire. À coup de main, as-tu aidé au mid? Vous et 44% des joueurs n'a pas aidé au mid. C'est vrai que j'aurais aidé au mid, hein. Classiquement, j'aurais aidé au mid. Et ben voilà, quel épisode de fou furieux encore. C'était incroyable, hein. C'était incroyable. Bon, il y a un moment de l'épisode où dans le train, ça traîne fort en longueur quand même, faut le dire. Mais par contre, sur tout le début, mais ça s'arrête pas et c'est de merde en merde et il t'arrive toujours des trucs, c'est horrible. Le cliffhanger à la fin, là, où il y a quelqu'un dans le talkie, où en fait, depuis le début, elle parle avec quelqu'un, c'est monstrueux. En fait, ça laisse pas présager du bon pour l'arrivée à Savannah qui est censée être la porte de sortie. Moi, ma théorie, c'est qu'elle parle avec des bandits, hein. Des gens qui ont pris la ville ou quoi, et qui font en sorte de piller les gens ou quoi. Donc voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. On se retrouve très bientôt pour l'épisode 4 qui s'appellera Partout. Donc à mon avis, bah, c'est dans Savannah. Et après, il restera le 5e épisode. Ce sera la fin de la saison 1, parce qu'il y a une saison 2 à The Walking Dead. Donc, je suis bien curieux de savoir qu'est-ce qui se passe à la fin de cette saison-là, mais c'est vraiment de la patate. Genre les 3 épisodes, c'est incroyable. Le 3, je trouve qu'il traînait un peu plus en longueur vers le milieu, mais il s'est passé tellement de trucs, au final c'est quand même super bien rythmé. On verra pour l'épisode 4 au niveau des rebondissements et tout, mais je l'attends très fort. On se retrouve très bientôt, je vous fais des gros bisous. Tchuss!